Welcome to another episode of EyeSpy. It's Mother Nature's turn in the spotlight in an episode we're calling Rabbits and Rats and Snakes, Oh My. Kevin Sutterp of Electech Auto in Winnipeg, Manitoba, found this cute little fella hiding under the hood of a 2004 Chevy. Peter Rabbit eventually hopped on his way, but not before subjecting Kevin and the customer to an hour-long game of hide-and-seek. And yes, the customer was billed for the full hour. One of Mike Doxey's customers brought in his car to see if Mike could figure out why his throttle kept sticking. Mike took it out for a test drive and didn't get 2 blocks before the throttle stuck, causing Mike to almost run a stop sign. About 2 seconds after removing the air intake cover, the reason for the sticky throttle popped its angry head out. Mike isn't sure what Remy was yelling at him, but he's pretty sure it wasn't cooking tips. And finally, kudos to the service technician from the Canadian Tire in Kelowna, BC, for not screaming when he came face to face with this rather large member of the Anaconda family hiding under his customer's car. It took a while, but they managed to coax the snake into a parts bag. Minutes later, the snake was slithering into the provincial park, conveniently located directly behind the shop. No word yet on whether any campers have gone missing. So, what did you learn from this episode of EyeSpy? That wild animals can be cute, but also unpredictable. So the next time a member of the animal kingdom decides to set up camp in your car, bring it to a professional with the right training, the right equipment, or just the right stuff to capture and release it back into the wild safely and humanely. Special thanks to Napa Auto Parts for helping us bring you this episode of EyeSpy.